case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The controversy began when a newspaper reporter published a statement from a prospective witness in defiance of a court order during a high-profile trial. This action sparked a legal row that swiftly climbed the ladder of the judicial system. The court demanded the identities of the reporter's sources, but the reporter clung to his belief in the respect of journalists' sources and flatly refused. The standoff led to the reporter being held in contempt of court, triggering an appeal that examined fundamental aspects of the legal commitments of journalists. The reporter stood firm, arguing that he was entitled to source confidentiality under the First Amendment and that he had been denied due process. In contrast, the court found the claim of an unexpected constitutional interpretation as pithless. Furthermore, it asserted that the reporter's understanding of Evidence Code Section 1070 did not absolve him of his legal responsibilities. Following a comprehensive review of the case, the state's Court of Appeal sided with the lower court. It upheld the decision and emphasized that the reporter had a full chance to comply, but chose not to. According to the court, the reporter's self-stated belief in his right to shield his sources had no bearing on his obligation to respect the court order. It dismissed the reporter's claim that being incarcerated until compliance amounted to cruel and unusual punishment. The court saw the commitment as both coercive and fitting, devised to control the court's officers and aides. It limited the commitment's duration to 5 days, declaring it to become punitive beyond that period. However, the appeals court conceded a minor but significant concession. Meanwhile, the reporter's petitions for habeas corpus were denied, and the execution of the judgment of contempt was stayed. This pause would allow the reporter to seek relief from the judgment's provisions in keeping with this opinion. On the other hand, if the Supreme Court's release order for the reporter expired before 60 days from the date of this judgment, the stay on the contempt judgment's execution would hold for this duration.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.